Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing the March Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. It has been a couple of months since I've sat down to film any video, let alone the monthly recipe box that I love sharing so much. We moved in December, and Christmas and moving and doing small renovation projects have taken up so much of our time, along with homeschooling. So I've not had a single minute to sit down to film. Besides, our house hasn't been ready until right now. So I'm really excited. I don't know where I'm going to be filming. This is just like a test spot, but it's been exciting to do little projects in a 100-year-old house. And we just finally painted this room. This is wood paneling. So before it was just horrendous, and it's just fun to see, to bring this house back to life. And that has been so fun. And homeschooling has been just amazing, and also so hard and challenging. But anyways, that's where I've been in life lately, and I am so excited to be back to share weekly videos with you guys. This one is my regular monthly recipe box. So if you're not familiar with Simply Earth, it is an essential oil company that we have used for years, and we love them because they source their oils properly and responsibly, and they bottle and package. They test their oils. Everything they do is up to my standards as a certified aromatherapist, and they have full transparency on everything as well. So those are just some of the things we look for this month. So they sell essential oils. They sell tons of different things and supplies on their website, and then they have this monthly recipe box that you can become subscribed to, so it gets sent to your house every month. And it's a really fun way to take the brain work out of making things with essential oils and creating a more natural home. And this is something, like I said, in the last couple of months, our life was just flipped upside down with just the move and an entirely different house, and just so much uncomfortable and out of our normal rhythms and routines. And so we've gotten further away. I'm starting to notice it now from natural and where I want to be as far as just having clean products in our house. I feel like this video might be rambly because I have so much that I have not shared that I feel like I have to share. So anyways, we've gotten away from having not a perfect, but a really good routine with natural wellness. Just buying things with fragrance or buying things for the sake of it just being easier, instead of making it. So I'm excited to get back in with you guys. And so this is going to help because this month's theme is smooth skin recipe box. So it's skincare. And if you know me and watch my videos, skincare is one of my all-time favorite things to do DIYs with essential oils. So anyways, let's get started. This box is $45. Is my memory serving me correct? $45 if you use my code, which will be on the screen or down below. You get a $45 gift card to use at Simply Earth. So it's a great way to just check it out, even if just for a month, but you're gonna love it. So each month you get 4 essential oils. You get 6 recipe cards in here. And they also send you some of the recipes or the ingredients you'll need. And there's a cute little dropper bottle in this month. So you'll get most of the things you'll need. Things like water or different bottles sometimes, different jars, a thermometer you'll need from home. This one says you'll need a face serum base from home, which I just use jojoba oil. Diffuser you'll need from home. Sometimes you'll need, baking soda. So anyways, normal household items aren't in the box, but everything else usually is. So here are 6 recipe cards. I will share the oils first so we can know what we're talking about. So we have juniper berry, and I have been subscribed to this box for years, and just as an aromatherapist, I have tons of essential oils. So I think I have all 4 of these oils. So I am also getting back into doing my weekly giveaways on my blog. So I'll put the link to subscribe to that down below. I give these away because I already have so many, and I don't want an abundance that I'm never going to use. So long story short, or short story long, whatever. Juniper berry will be going in my giveaway pile. I have this one. Geranium is next. This one I think I have as well. Geranium's a floral oil, obviously. And then on the bottle, they used to have the aromatic, what it smells like. Geranium is pretty potent. It's not like a super light and floral oil. It's a little bit deeper. Downtime is a blend. So this is frankincense, marjoram, bergamot, lavender, and wood. This is one of our favorites for bedtime or making different bath and body products. So I'm excited that's in here. And then another blend, which is the unicorn blend. They came out with this a few years ago for kids, and with a unicorn plushie. If it's still on their website, I'll put a picture of it here. It's really cute. This one is grapefruit, orange, lemon, and jasmine. So a very citrusy, bright, and uplifting oil. And we will use all of those in these recipes. So the first one is Confidence Boost Roll-On. Also, when you get your first box, your first month, it will come in a bigger box called the Big Bonus Box. And that will have rollers, fractionated coconut oil, solid coconut oil, almond oil, beeswax pellets, and just some containers that you'll need, rollers specifically too that you'll need. So you'll need your roller from your Big Bonus Box, you'll need your fractionated coconut oil that you'll get, and then you're gonna mix unicorn, geranium, and downtime to make a roll-on. The back of every card also has a lot of info, so make sure you read front and backs. Dream Cream. So this one is shelf life of 9 months, dilution rate 0.5. I love that they take all the guesswork out of that for you too, to make sure that you're using products to make, or for one, making sure they're effective, and two, safe to use topically. Excuse me. So this one, you'll need almond oil, coconut oil, emulsifying wax, which is right here. You get a little packet of that. It's usually the exact amount that you'll need or a little bit more. You'll need beeswax, geranium, juniper berry, Downtime Essential Oil. You're gonna create an ice bath, combine all the oils and beeswax in a heat safe, then you're gonna combine all the oils and beeswax in a heat safe bowl and heat to fully melted. I have just a single burner. You can use your stove, you can use a hot pot, whatever you have to melt, or a microwave. And then in another heat safe container, heat the water to the same temperature and start blending the water mixture and slowly drizzle in your oils. If the oils start to harden, pause blending and scrape them in with a spatula. They'll melt into the mixture as you stir. Place the mixture in an ice bath, allow the mixture to cool to room temperature, and the cream will thicken as it cools. So we're making a cream. I have not made anything in this method before. So transfer to a 2-ounce bottle. So we're making like a face cream, I'm assuming. That's what that is. That's cool. It's always different and unique things that you always get a roller recipe, but then you're also getting things that you're not usually making on your own. Pure Renewal clay mask. So you get some French green clay. I don't think we've gotten this before, at least I don't remember it. So we're using this almond oil, unicorn, juniper berry, and geranium. And you're gonna mix them all together until a smooth paste forms. And use immediately or store in a small 1-ounce jar. So that's where you'll need a jar from home. At the back, you'll get a sneak peek of next month. Geranium Velvet Cleansing Balm is the next one. So you're gonna use geranium, obviously. And cleansing balm, this sounds so nice. So we're gonna heat some fractionated oil, almond oil, beeswax, and wax. Melt in a double boiler. I think that's what I was trying to say earlier, a double boiler. I think I said hot pot. So you're gonna melt all together, remove from heat and let cool. Stir in the French green clay, add essential oils, and then, so this reminds me of, I think it's Elemis, and I think Versed also has these. It's a cleansing balm. So I use a regular clean cleanser after I use balm cleansers. That's just my preference, but what does this say? To use, scoop a pea-sized amount onto dry skin, massage to dissolve all makeup, add warm water, and continue massaging until it turns into a silky milk. Rinse, clean, and pat dry. So it's not saying to double cleanse after, but that's typically what I do with cleansing balms. Up to you. Joy Drop. See, so for my skincare, I have so simplified it down that I'm literally using my cleanser. It's by Versed. I use that morning and night, and then I also only use a serum that I've made. It's jojoba oil and blue tansy. It's super simple. Sometimes I'll put frankincense in there because that one's also great in skincare, but it's very diluted. It's like a couple of drops of essential oil. It's mostly just jojoba oil, and that's it. I'm not using serums and eye creams and moisturizers. I'm not using any moisturizer. This is it. So this is the type of product that I'm using. It's called Joy Drops. It's almond oil. You can use whatever carrier oil though that if you already know and your face likes. I have a guide on my blog that goes through all of the carrier oils and which ones are good for each type of skin, whether it's dry, oily, all of those. So let me know if you want that. If you can't find it on my blog, I can send it to you. So you're using almond oil, unicorn essential oil, geranium oil, and then you're putting it in this cute little bottle. So let me open it and show you. This is a dropper bottle. I think it's probably, how many milliliters does it say? Doesn't say. So this is the bottle. It's super cute. With this being clear though, and using essential oils in here, you wanna make sure you keep this in your drawer, your shelf, somewhere out of direct sunlight. Joy Drops. I think this is the last one. I'm losing track. No. Yes? Evening Glow Diffuser Blend. So you will get empty bottles just like this. I can get this back up. So this is a 5 milliliter bottle. It has the juniper berry, but you'll get empty ones so that you can make your own diffuser blends. You mix Downtime, Geranium, Juniper berry all together. You're doing 50 drops, 30 drops, and 20 drops. So you're making a new blend essentially, and then you'll have a label for everything as well. I forgot to show you that. So you'll label everything. These little circle ones go on the tops of the bottles in case you keep your essential oils in a drawer. It's nice to see I'm looking down, but there's just so many things that I love about this box. They just really think of it all. And for $45, it is such an incredible deal each month. I'll share, they sent me the value. So let's see what the value is this month. It is $75.92. And again, it's $44.99 for this box. In my experience, it's been up to $200 the value. So it's usually between $100 and $200. So it's always just, you get way more. You also get access to an essential oil hero course, which is like a little class to learn the basics of using essential oils, which is important. All right, so I think that is it. Hopefully this wasn't too long of a video. I wanted to jump back in, excited to share. Let me know what you guys think about this month's box. I will try to do some of the recipes and share a secondary video too of that, or at least on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to use my code when you shop, Simply Earth. Have a great day. Bye.